Well, I know everybody's been wondering what's been going on with me and stuff, and it's just been lots and lots of chaos and problems and, you know, life in general. So I got everything all tore apart. Well, I don't know if you can hear it, but we've got some definite hail coming down, and she's pretty wicked outside. As you can very well see, we have had quite the storms in the past 3 weeks. It's just been crazy. But yeah, you can see it. Yeah, you can see the hail down there on the ground now. A couple pieces of hail. Not too big, but size of peas, I guess, maybe a marble. And I thought I could hear it blasting down on top of the roof here. I mean, it's so dark in here. Crazy. Yeah, you can see a bunch of it on the ground there. Just definitely some bizarre weather for sure. It's been crazy. Boats are starting to be pulled. It's getting that time, the end of the season. A few more weeks and we're out of here. Start heading south. Well, now that the temperatures are getting better and stuff, I've kind of cooled off. We're gonna start doing some more cooking. We'll put up a little bit more stuff on some cooking stuff here. Not a lot, but I'm gonna make basically a vegetable soup. Not noodles, but it's actually a broccoli soup. So we're gonna get this stuff fried up, and then it's this Bear Creek stuff I really like. You just mix 8 glasses of water and then get it to a boil, put that in, and then I always doctor it up and give it a little more, and I'll put a little more cheese in there. I got some fresh tomatoes out of a garden. So yeah, you know, so like I say, we'll be doing a little bit more on some cooking stuff and whatnot here in the next month, because the temperatures are getting down now. It's you know, it's 50 degrees at night now, and it's only 70 in the day, so it's really nice. Well, I know everybody's been wondering what's been going on with me and stuff, and it's just been lots and lots of chaos and problems and, you know, life in general. So I got everything all tore apart. I've been having a ton of problems with my van not starting. I've had to stay in a couple different places because it wouldn't start, and I've redone some connections and some stuff here. I put a new solenoid in. I put a new solenoid in over here. A new sensor here. And anyway, I had a mechanic today because it ran and started a few times, but then it wouldn't start, and I just couldn't figure out what the deal was. So I've been at this for almost an entire day, And this bolt down here, it's hard to see it, but there's a bolt down there that comes off that starter. And how you get it off there is on the back side. And I got it, but it just came off so difficult, and I couldn't figure out why. And of course, it ended up breaking the bolt. But you know, it worked because I got the bolt off. And where is the bolt here that I had? I had to go get a new wrench because I wasn't getting any bite on my old wrench here. Oh man, what did I do with that bolt? Damn it. I know I tossed it. Well, I didn't really toss it. I thought I just kind of set it here. I don't know, maybe it broke and fell down underneath, and I'll go back. I'll go underneath and see if I can find it, so I can match it up to another bolt, size-wise and stuff. But this is definitely original starter. It's Mastercraft, which or Motorcraft, which is a Ford product. But anyway, yeah, it's just been tons and tons and tons of stuff working on things, and you know, it's really been a serious drag for sure. But, and I'll fill you in more, but I'm going to get back to this. I've had a rash that I can't get rid of, and I had to go to the doctor for it, and he said it was just, I don't know, propecia, I don't know, I don't know, one of the typical rashes or whatever that everybody gets or whatever. It's just a yeast buildup, and then I end up getting thrush in my mouth and throat, so I've had to take some medicine for that. And it's just been, man, just life just being a big kick right in my caboose. But I had everything all planned today to go get I was going to go get a motorcycle. I've been looking for a motorcycle all summer because I got to have something that I can get around in instead of just this vehicle. I've got to have something, and plus I'm going to be door dashing basically for a living for this next winter. And so anyway, I'm working on that. I had to go and get the bike today to put it off till tomorrow because it's going to take me the rest of the day to get this starter all in, and then hope that's it, and it'll start. Oh man, thank heavens I'm stuck in my Walmart parking lot at least, because I can get around and get some parts. So I'm going to get on the phone, find a starter for this, and walk over and get that. I had about 7 people stop. That few knew me, few didn't know me. Some people watch my stuff and whatnot, but all trying to help out. And the one was a mechanic, and he kind of gave me some insight and kind of helped me out quite a bit on getting that fixed. But anyway, I got about a mile walk to a parts store to see if I can get a starter. So I'm gonna call them now. Let's pick up in a little while. Telling you what, it's going to be beer time if everything goes, because I am hurt and beat crawling under this. Well, pretty much getting into the evening, but as you can see, we got everything put back together. Starter was fried, but we still had some issues, but we're up and running. Up and running. So anyway, but we had to reroute. We had to clean a bunch of ground wires and clean them all up and redo them and everything, and that got because I put the starter in, I put the solenoid in, I put everything in, and all, the terminals were good, and it still wouldn't start. It was still acting up, and I just couldn't figure out what was the deal. So I just started with all the cables and grounds and all the stuff and cleaned them all up, and we're back up and running. But man, what a horrible 2 days. What a horrible 2 days. So anyway, guys, yeah, it's just been really a lot of stuff going on, and a lot of kind of some crazy decision making. Like I said, we're going to look at a motorcycle tomorrow. or we were actually gonna grab it today, but because of the starter went out and it kind of put a hiccup and everything, we'll probably grab it. It's a great deal, and I'll go into that more. But as I said, we've got to have something that's going to give us the ability to have more mobility than this. This is just not a everyday running vehicle. We got to have something that's more mobile, you know, to get us around or whatever. So we're looking at, you know, a motorcycle or whatever, which we've looked at all summer. But and I've got a really great motorcycle picked out. You know, again, we'll do a video on it. But you know, I've been working with him all summer, and it's finally we've gotten down to a reasonable price that I think I can, you know, I can certainly grab it. Now it's gonna be a little strapped. I mean, we're right down to some bare minimum, you know, when it comes to the money end of things. We put some money into this. We've done some work on that. You know, we're got to grab this motorcycle, do our thing, and we've got to get going and get to work and start getting some money coming in. You know, it's just we got to get some money coming in, because it's getting scary, and it is what it is. But you know, we'll get out and do some door dashing and whatever. But we got to get going. We got to get down to where in Florida where we can start, you know, door dashing and making some money and get our kitty build back up and all those things. But I'm sorry, it's been you know, quite a while since I've put anything up. It's just been, man, it's just been a crazy summer. It hasn't been a great summer at all. It really hasn't. It's been kind of a stressful summer, you know, trying to, I don't know, just a lot of things going on. But the other thing I wanted to ask you guys is, do you guys want every day? Do you want daily videos? You want me to go back to daily videos and stuff? You want more videos up? I mean, you know, my life is not that exciting. I'll gladly do it. I'll gladly get more into the daily videos if you guys want to, you know, see more of what's going on in my day-to-day life. I'll do that. If you guys want to, leave a comment. Let me know if that's what you want to do or that's what you'd like, and I'll do that. But I just get wrapped up into life and wrapped up into things, and before I know it, it's like 2-3 weeks, and people are wondering what I'm up to and stuff like that. I'm just trying to get through life, you know, just like everybody does. You know, it's a beautiful life, but it's a very complicated life, and it's a very hard life, you know, getting everything done. But anyway, that's kind of where we're at. I hope you like everything. I hope you enjoy the channel. I hope you enjoy watching the videos and stuff like that. Let me know if you guys want daily videos. I'll go back to that if you want. I just don't want to bore you with, you know, petty stuff, you know. But if you want to, you know, want more videos and stuff like that, I'll continue to, you know, I'll put more stuff up. But that's where we're at. So anyway, I appreciate it, guys. Peace out from the Wayne Diaries, and we will see you guys soon.